Before the first wall is built, before the floor is laid, greatness is chosen. Introducing the crown jewel of natural stones, gray stone travertine from Iran. Timeless, textured, tremendously refined. This is stone born in silence, shaped by centuries, and selected for those who know quality is never a compromise. From elite residences to visionary commercial design, Greystone Marble's Iranian travertine elevates every surface. Its strength runs deep, its story even deeper. Each slab is hand-picked, every cut engineered. Because we don't just sell stone, we deliver excellence by design. Fresh arrival, limited quantity, guaranteed quality. Greystone Marble, welcome you to make order is fast because we have limited quantity in stock now, but not for long. Reserve yours before the finest is gone. You can call us on the number on the screen. Greystone Marble, where earth meets vision.